Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to remove or hide all payment gateway except specific payment gateway using custom code when coupon code is applied in checkout page in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page. Now you see we have multiple payment gateway and we are going to hide all payment gateway except specific payment gateway using custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. So scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So we are going to remove all payment gateway except specific payment gateway like PayPal. Now you see PayPal payment gateway ID. So you can add your PayPal payment gateway ID in custom code. If you don't know your PayPal payment gateway ID, on left side you see WooCommerce and then you see setting, so open it. Then you see payment tab, so again click on it. Then you see all payment gateway. Now you see PayPal, so click on it. Now you see PayPal setting open and then in URL you see section is equal to ppcp-gateway. So this is our payment gateway ID. Now copy, back to code. Now paste here. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now you see snippet created and saved. Go to coupon page, copy any coupon, go to checkout page, refresh the page. Now you see I have a coupon. Scroll down, you see payment gateway. We have 4 payment gateway. So we are going to remove all except PayPal. Now scroll up, click here to enter your code. Now paste and then apply coupon. Now you see coupon code applied successfully. Scroll down, you only see PayPal. Remaining payment gateway hide when we apply coupon code. Now you see. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.